In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages on GoDaddy Website Builder. Managing your website on GoDaddy is like having the controls of a sleek, powerful vehicle in your hands. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and today I'm going to help you navigate through one specific maneuver, deleting pages from your site. Whether it's an outdated service page or a seasonal promotion that's come to an end, keeping your site updated is key to maintaining a professional online presence. Let's start the process by signing into your GoDaddy account. You'll find the sign in option right on their homepage. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure you enter the correct details. If you've forgotten them, don't worry. GoDaddy offers options to recover your username or reset your password right from the sign in page. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy account dashboard. It's like entering the command center for all your GoDaddy services. Here, look for the website section. This is where all your website dreams take shape and become a digital reality. Next, you'll see an option that says Edit Website. Click on it. This action transports you into the website builder environment, a place where creativity couples with technology. It's where you'll make all the edits, including deleting pages to make sure your website reflects your current business needs and aesthetics. Now it's time to navigate to the page you want to delete. You'll do this by going to the Website tab. Depending on how your website is structured, you may see a variety of pages listed, from your homepage to your Contact Us page. Each plays a crucial role in how visitors interact with your site. Among these pages, find the page you wish to remove. Perhaps it's a shop page that no longer aligns with your business model. Once you've located the page, you'll notice a gear icon next to it. This icon is your gateway to modifying page settings. It's a small but mighty button that holds a lot of power. Clicking on the gear icon opens up a menu. Here you will see several options, but our focus for today is the delete page option. This is the point of no return. Once you click on delete page, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm your decision. It's their way of making sure you're absolutely sure about removing this page from your website. Take a moment to think it over. If this page is truly surplus to requirements, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the process of deleting a page on GoDaddy Website Builder. It's a straightforward task, but one that holds significant importance in managing your website's content. Keep in mind that once a page is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so always make sure that you're certain before proceeding with this action. Remember, your website is a living entity on the internet. Regular updates like deleting irrelevant pages or adding new ones help keep it fresh and engaging for your visitors. It reflects well on your brand and can positively impact your online presence. That wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these steps, you now know how to streamline your GoDaddy website efficiently. Keep exploring, experimenting, and enhancing your website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence effectively. Until next time, happy editing.